So I'm talking about the brand new GoPro Hero 10. This GoPro, it is very nice. I just got it today. It is Christmas. It's a very nice GoPro. It has a lot of gadgets. It's right now, I'm videoing with it, so it's on a stand. I can show you that later. But then we have this. It's a chest mount. It goes on your chest. There's a clip right here. And then it's also supposed to, this is supposed to go in here, like this. And you can put it on, which I'm not going to right now. I also got a head mount. I do not have that right now. I will go get it in a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that and then. Alright guys, I'm back. Here's the head mount. It can go, I can put this on because it's very easy. You can do that. Goes on your head. Maybe go on a hat, I don't know. And then you could like mount the GoPro on top. I'm gonna see if it goes on a hat. I don't know if it can. It can probably go on a hat backwards, but oh yeah, I can go on a hat. Let's try backwards. Yeah, let me get it off. Can go backwards. Go backwards too, so there's both of that. And then we have some cool gadgets in the case. This, it's like, I guess it like it has a stand for the GoPro. Like, if you see this, it's probably just like a little stand. You attach the GoPro here. Like, you go put the GoPro in there. Then you set it right here. And this probably keeps it steady, this part. Then we got another, hang on, let me put this back. We got another cool thing. It's the same thing, except it's just not raised. Then we have this clip. You can clip it. Like if you want to, you can clip it here. You can put your GoPro on it. I'm using one right now. It hooks there's little things on the bottom of the GoPro. I have a ton of those. And then like you hook them in the GoPro. You just get one and then you like twist it in the GoPro. So it holds it, like 3 right now. I have one on the GoPro right now. Then you have this very sticky tape, and then like if I wanted to, I could just do that. I'm not going to because I'm not going to leave it here. It's really hard to get off apparently. That's what my dad said. So it's like it has very sticky tape on the bottom, and you can put it right there, and then you like could slide the GoPro on. Yeah. So there's that. And yeah, I think that's it with the GoPro. These you're going to need if you want to mount a GoPro to anything. If you want to stand for the GoPro, you even need these. So, yeah. All right, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to D Reviews. Till then, on to the next one, guys. See ya.